Okay, so just right from the city center here in Sydney, I'm heading over to a place called Manly, only $11 each way, and look at the incredible view in the wharf here. Unbelievable. That's the selfie everybody wants right there. Love those southern pines. It, I guess, reminds me of Canada with our pines, but you got the beautiful weather that goes with them. So big fan of the southern pines. Of course, it wouldn't be an Australia video without some beach time, and this is an incredible beach here in Manly, just a 20-minute boat ride from Sydney city centre, and yeah, just incredible. So hi, yes I am, yeah. You want to be in it? Yeah. Sure. Okay. Hi, what's your name?
Phoebe.
Phoebe, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Cheers. So that's part of the challenge of doing what I do. People see the camera and want to be in it, and yeah, that was a young new subscriber, Phoebe, and thank you for your warm welcome to Sydney. Hey y'all, sorry to pause the video right here. Just need to ask a big favor from all of you. So currently only about 10% of these people watching the videos are actually subscribed. So I'd like to ask you to please hit that subscribe button down below. Tell a friend, tell a family member. That's how this channel grows. So it's not only for me. Every time my subscriber count doubles, I will be giving out a gift pack to one lucky subscriber. So I most recently just gave one out at 8,000. Can't wait to give one out at 16,000 coming up, 32,000, 64,000, etc. So every single time it doubles, I'm going to be giving a nice gift pack out to you, and it could include some things like some beautiful Vietnamese coffees. As you see, I'm in Vietnam shooting this. some currency, some flags, just local alcohol if you are of the right age. But yeah, basically a nice little gift pack for one lucky subscriber. Again, please help me work on my goal to be the first person with type 1 diabetes to go to every single country in the world. And again, I'm going to pay back the love to a lucky subscriber every single time my subscriber count doubles. So please hit that button down below, do me a favor, I'll do you a favor, and away we go. Stay golden all. So the swimming area is protected by this shark fence, if you will. So keeps the big sharks out, but still allows you to swim and enjoy this beautiful water. So that's a fairly popular thing on a lot of beaches across Australia, as there is sharks in the area. Not to scare people, but I would say there is more fatalities by people shaking concession machines, pop, chips, etc. They get angry, their dollar bill gets stuck. It's now a 5, or everything's tapless, of course, but there's more fatalities by that every year, where they shake the machine falls over and hurts or kills them, than shark fatalities. So we should be more scared of our snack food than sharks. But that being said, they are predators, and they're opportunistic, so they will have an easy meal. This might be the perfect way to watch cricket. They got these misters going, screen outside, on a patio. Life is good. Sugar cane straws. It's the best option available. These ferries are going steady every half hour or so, and again, $11 each way. Can't beat it. To get out to Manly, must do if you are in Sydney, in my opinion. It's incredible. I was only there half a day, but still would highly recommend it. Beautiful beach, lovely people, and cold beer. So win-win-win. And again, look at this view you get. Yeah, magical skyline view of Sydney Harbour for $22 return. So that's maybe a cheap, easy way to do it rather than a more expensive cruise. current situation, maybe next time I'm in Australia. Fingers crossed. Incredibly fortunate to have this Disney send-off to Australia. And only $11 on this beautiful ferry, so or $11 each way. But my goodness, that's the shot everybody wants. And I got a very long travel day tonight and tomorrow, but what a time I had here in Australia. Up there walking on the top of the bridge. Good for them. I am more comfortable on the boat. So my sugar is very, very low right now. I'm gonna enjoy it with a beautiful gelato right here on the pier.
Esta se va a pasar the song,
Alright, so let's dive in. Chicken shawarma, or they might call it a doner here. As I'm eating this, I was just thinking, this has to be country number 30. I'm guessing that I've had a shawarma or doner, some sort of chicken flavored sandwich, which is just my favorite, and I can't believe I've had it in that many countries. And I'm heading to Iran next, so I can't wait to have their version of it. I'm guessing it's going to be phenomenal. Can't wait to show you guys that in a couple weeks. Hey, thanks so much for watching another episode of Travel with Carter. I had an absolute blast here in Australia. It was great catching up with family. I had seen a lot of beautiful new sights that I hadn't seen before. Just an amazing couple weeks, and really recommend you guys coming down here if you haven't been before, or if you need a follow-up trip, as it is just a spectacular place. The people are lovely, and yes, if you guys are enjoying what you're watching, please hit that subscribe button down below. Tell a friend, tell a family member. That's how this channel grows. I am cruising along with my subscribers, and the channel keeps growing week by week, and it's all because of you guys. So again, if you haven't, hit that button down below, and tune in next week for a new episode. Stay golden all.